So good morning. Right now we are here in port of Brisbane, and we're going to Moreton Island this morning, today. Yan, nakapila lang tayo. Stop lang. Oh, there's a lot of vehicle. So this is the port of Brisbane, and this is the Mikat ferry. And this morning, today, we're going to Moreton Island. So we just have to wait for the instruction. We'll see. Marami parang bakante. So we're going this side.
Instruction. Brought it up.
So we're on the upper deck of the ferry right now. We're just waiting for this ferry to go. So we're right here. Yan. Wala pa. It's not yet moving, so we're moving now. Nandito tayo sa upper deck. Yun. Ang basa yan. Oo. Yung magandang panahon. Really good. Yeah. It's nice. Cloudy. Yeah. Hindi yata pwede na. Dito lang tayo. Yung ano. So that's Crown Princess cruise. Next time. Next time. Okay, and then we're going to the sea. Malayo pa lang. It's an hour and a half. Daanan dito?
Oh, wait lang. Open na ba?
Ano, wala yatang daanan. May daanan ba doon banda? Wala.
I don't know. You ask me.
Tingnan ko lang sila kung ano.
Just follow them.
Kaya kung i-download yung ano eh.
How about yung tire? Hindi mo na kailangan i-ano? Hmm?
Sabi niya? Okay. We are now on the other side of the beach, and then we're going to Blue Lagoon track, which is 8 kilometers on the left. Okay. Yun. Pupunta tayo sa ano. Ang ganda ng beach yan. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Nice. Trying to assemble my tent, our tent for tonight. Yan. Bomba lang. So ito yung setup namin. Tapos na, yan. Dinikit ko lang yung ano, gazebo dito banda sa tent namin yan. Tapos lunch time naman, so probably we'll start cooking now our lunch. Yan, tapos ito yung paligid ng ano, konti lang kami dito. It's good. Yan, bakante. Okay, we're going to the Blue Lagoon Lake. So we're just on this small track here, walking probably another 100 meters. It's not that far. So doon si Almao yan. We're nearly here. Ayun. Marami din palang nag-ano. Marami din palang pumupunta dito kahit na ano, mahirap yung daan. Ay, lapit na. Saan ka na ba? This is the lake, but it's so far. Ang dami pa ng tao. Ayan. Ay, huwag ka masyado dyan. Amel, Amel. Mag-swim ka na, sige na. Sige na. So this is the dahil pang lake.
That's a good size. That's a good size. But really just all fell in the water. Oh yeah. Did you see that guy?
So we've got one more towel and a water bottle for you, boys. What the hell? the beach. Ooh. Oh, nice. So there's another way here. Okay. Dito siguro sila ng ano. Another upside. So, nandito na tayo sa other side of the beach. Ganda. Dito tayo mag-swim ngayon. Dito. Oy, oy, oy. Ooh. So dito tayo mag-park. Kita mo yung mga ano yung turista.